And today we are starting the trigonometric identity chapter, exercise number 4 from R.D. Sharma. Okay, for this exercise you must know the identities like sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Third is 1 plus cos square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Now, from the first identity you can write down sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, या cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. From the second identity you can write down 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta, or tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. From the third identity 1 can be written as cosec square theta minus cot square theta, and cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Okay, now from this means I am getting the value of 1 is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta, 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta, 1 is equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Okay, in this identity I can write down this as a plus b and a minus b, means sec theta plus tan theta, and another bracket will be sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, can I write down like this? Okay, now for this also I can write down cosec theta plus cot theta, and in the second bracket I can write down cosec theta minus cos theta. Okay, now we are going to simple ratio, means the reciprocal which already studied in first exercise. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta, sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, tan theta can be written as sin theta upon cos theta or 1 upon cot theta, cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta is equal to 1 upon. The use this rule, this is very important. Convert all the ratios in sin and cos theta and then simplify. Okay, this is very basic and essential rule for solving the numerical. So we are going to solve the first numerical. What is given here? Now in the first problem what is given? Under root of 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. Okay, now it is given that I can rationalize this. You already know how to rationalize the number. Okay, now what is the denominator is here 1 plus sin theta, means what is my rationalizing factor is 1 minus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta. Okay, can I write down like this? Okay, now both the terms are equal, so I can write down as 1 minus sin theta the whole square. In the denominator you already know that a plus b a minus b to 1 minus sin square theta, and you already know what is the value of 1 minus sin square theta. Numerator will remain the same, 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Okay, now both the terms are in the square form, so I can remove the square with square root sign. Okay, now what will come here? 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. Now I am separating the denominator, so I can write down 1 upon cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, now what is 1 upon cos theta is sec theta. Okay, now I can write down this as a sec theta, and sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. Okay, you must know the conversions. You concentrate on the formulas which are given in the first. This is equal to RHS and 2. Okay, now we are going to solve the second problem, which is also of the same type only. Instead of sin theta, cos theta is given. Okay, now it is given 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus. In the second problem what is given? 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta. What is the rationalizing factor for this? Is 1 plus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Okay, write down this in the root sign. Now my numerators are equal, so I can write down 1 plus cos theta the whole square, and you already know in the denominator which formula is applicable, a square minus b square. Okay, now you already know that 1 minus cos square theta is equal to how much? That is equal to sin square theta. Now these two terms are in the square form, so I can remove the square with square root sign. So I will get 1 plus, now what I will do? Denominator separation, 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta. Okay, now what is the value of 1 upon sin theta? Is equal to cosec theta, already told you. Okay, and what is the value of cos upon sin? Is cot theta. Okay, this is equal to RHS, means you apply algebraic method for solving the identity to another problem. Now we are going to solve the third problem. Third problem is given sec theta minus tan theta the whole square. Okay, now I already told you that convert all the ratios in sine and cos form. So this sec theta can be written as 1 upon cos theta, tan theta can be written as equal. So I can subtract the numerator and write down here cos theta. Now I can separate, what I can separate? The square sign. Okay, now in the denominator what will come here? Cos square theta. I already know that what is the value of cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin 1 minus 1 square, a square minus b square I can apply here. So I can write down 1 minus sin theta the whole square upon 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Okay, now I can cancel 1 minus sin theta with the square. What will come here? 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. And this is the required answer for the given problem. Okay, now you prove this one. Now we are going to solve the fourth problem. Is also type of this. What is given here? Cosec theta minus cot theta the whole square. I already told you what is the value of cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. Okay, cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. You must know this ratio. Okay, then only you can proceed. Denominators are equal. So I can write down here sin theta minus 1 minus cos theta the whole square. Okay, now I can separate the square of numerator and denominator. What will come in the denominator is sin square theta. Okay, now you already know that sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. Again I will apply here a square minus b square. What will come here? 1 minus cos theta the whole square upon, what will come here? 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Again I will cancel this with square. Okay, now what will remain here? 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. This is your required answer for the given problem, that is RHS. So we are going to solve the fifth problem, cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta, cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta. In this problem sin theta, cos theta common, numerators are equal. So I can write down 1 upon 1 minus sin theta plus 1. Okay, I can take the LCM of this. Cos theta can be written as cos theta. Okay, now what is my LCM? 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta. Okay, now what will come here? It is 1 plus sin theta and 1 minus sin theta. Okay, now in this sin theta get cancelled. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. A plus b, a minus b. I can write down as 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, now this is given cos theta. Okay, now 1 minus sin square theta is equal to, what is the value of 1 minus sin square theta? Is 2 upon cos square theta. Okay. Now this cos theta will get cancelled with this 2 upon cos theta, and 1 upon cos theta is sec theta. So my answer is 2 sec theta, that is equal to RHS. Okay, you understand this one? Now we are going to solve the sixth problem. Okay, now in this problem what I can do, sin theta minus 2 sin square theta, okay, minus cos theta is given. So I can take out sin theta common from the numerator. What will remain? 1 minus 2 sin theta. Okay, now from this I can take out, here cube is given. Okay, now what will remain here? Square will come, remain. Cos theta will taken out common. So what will come here? 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, now in this problem sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. Okay, you already know that. Now I am substituting 2. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. You can change any one. You can change the numerator also, denominator. Okay, now what I will come? 2 1 ja 2 plus 2 cos square theta upon, what will come here? 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, means this is 2 cos square theta minus 1 upon 2 cos square theta minus 1. Both are same term, so they can cancel. What will remain here? Tan theta is remain, that is your RHS. Okay, this is also very important. Problem number 7, sec 4 theta minus sec square theta is given. From this I can take out sec square theta common. Okay, what will remain here? Sec square theta minus 1 will remain. Okay, now sec square theta is equal to, what is the identity of sec square theta? Is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, and sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. Now I can multiply this by this, means what will come here? Tan square theta plus tan square theta into tan square theta is equal to tan 4 theta, that is equal to your RHS. Hence proved. Okay, these are very important sums for 3 or 4 marks in the board examination. Okay, practice more.